everybody, and welcome to Story Time at the Rolla Public Library. This week, for our summer reading program, we're learning about fables. A fable is a story acted out by animal characters, and there's usually a moral at the end of that story, some truth to learn about life as told by those animal characters. So today's story is The Lion and the Mouse, an Aesop fable, and the person who drew the pictures is Ed Young. The Lion and the Mouse. A mouse ran over the body of, could that be an ear? A sleeping lion, waking up the lion. Roar! And the lion seized him and was about to eat him. The mouse begged to be released and promised to repay the lion if he would spare him. The lion laughed, ha ha ha, and let him go. Not long afterwards, the mouse was able to show his gratitude. Captured by hunters in a net, the lion was suspended by a rope. He struggled and struggled. The mouse heard his cry. Running to the spot, can you see the mouse trying to reach up? He's so little, but that lion is so high. He's trying to figure it out. He made it! Oh no, that poor lion all caught in the net. There's the mouse trying to figure out how to save the lion. The mouse freed him by gnawing through the rope. And there he is falling to the ground. Oh no, do you think the lion's going to eat him? No, he doesn't. A change in circumstance can make the strong weak and the weak strong. So that's the moral of that fable. The little weak mouse was actually pretty strong with his wits, wasn't he, in helping to get the lion out of that net. So in your grab bag from the library, you'll have a chance to make your own mouse finger puppet. Well, we'll see you again next time. Bye!